On the count of 3, 2, 1, we'll reveal why we're taking you out on a date. Action! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I'm going to do an adaptation of this later. But first of all, welcome, Mad Heartist. Yes, we're celebrating Priya Goswami's or Priya's birthday. But that's not the only thing we're celebrating. We're also celebrating the fact that there are things worth celebrating during the lockdown, and we have to constantly come up with inventive ways to figure out how to get away without getting away. Now, Priya, when I say get away without getting away, what do you really think of? दिमाग में क्या आता है?
मेरे दिमाग में ना मैं एक साल 2019 में हूँ and I'm in Paris and we are celebrating my birthday and for the first time in my life I'm seeing the Eiffel Tower and I'm like like that. But I'm bringing that anecdote because I've said this to you enough and more number of times. For me, especially in the lockdown, and actually more than my birthday, we are celebrating my 38th day of complete social isolation and quarantine. For me, it's really a mind state, Sabika, as you already know. Just the act of wearing, dressing up, putting a red lipstick, making sure that each and every day for the last 27 days we show up on Mad Heart Talks is not just an act of courage, it's also an act of cheating my brain, at least, and I know yours as well, to mimic well being. And sometimes when well being isn't felt, I think I know I can go in that mode of extracting well being by mimicking well being. How about you?
So for me, it is a lot about not feeling locked out of my own body. Like I know that we're all locked down, but as long as I am breathing beautifully and breathing easy, I know that there is the possibility of being anywhere. And the luckiest bit of all of this is that, both of us having been trained in visual language, both of us being trained filmmakers, having a wild imagination really helps. But if you're not a trained filmmaker, all you have to actually do is just close your eyes. And when you breathe deeply, you can actually be anywhere you want to. You want me to try that with you? Do you want to close your eyes? Okay, all right. So your eyes are closed, and I just want you to take 2, 3 deep breaths with me. So inhale and exhale, inhale and exhale. And one last time, inhale deeply and exhale. Now, when I say 3, 2, 1 and snap my finger, you'll be wherever you want to be. Okay, right now. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you can open your eyes and tell us where you are.
Okay, I'm in a coffee shop, which I recently discovered 3 months ago. I have ordered a soup because I'm waiting for you, and I know you want a soup, and it's my birthday, so I somehow want to treat you. God knows why. And true to our characteristics, we will not cut a birthday cake, but we will cut a birthday bread because, again, God knows why. So yeah, I'm in a coffee shop with an orange colored soup and very, very crispy on the outside, soft on the inside bread waiting for you. And the smell of coffee is in my nose, as is the smell of warm bread.
Wow. So is it the right time for me to offer you my birthday gift to you?
Please go ahead.
Okay, so my birthday gift to you is the shortest love letter I have ever written, which goes like, प्रिय प्रिय, तुम्हारा नाम लेना ही तुम्हें प्रेम पत्र भेजने जैसा है। और अब हमारा ई एड्रेस भी मैड हार्ट टॉक्स हो गया है। इसके आगे हम और क्या कहे, जानम समझा करो।
समझती हूँ मैं ये प्यार बहुत अच्छे से समझती हूँ and mad hatters, if you're wondering what is it that we are really doing today, we are just trying to tell you that cheat it, fake it till you make it. If you can't go on a date, wear nice clothes. You have them in your cupboard, we know it. And you can always mimic well-being if that is possible. Of course, I do want to remind myself that yes, we are sitting on enormous amount of privilege, that we can be with the snap of our fingers anywhere we'd like to be, because there's no pressing hunger issues. So on my birthday, if there is one wish I really want to make, please, please, please donate. Please donate. Please make sure the animals and the birds are well fed. Please make sure that you do one good deed today which makes you sleep a little more happier. Please.
So for you, Priye, I am actually going live for love, that hashtag which we had mentioned in our hunger relief episode. And I'm hoping that my poetry workshop today will help raise donations for a lot of organizations that are working for different relief purposes. So this is another dedication to you. आप रख लीजिए हमारा ये gift. और I will not want to end this episode without offering my personally adapted happy birthday version for you. This is something which is very special, and it's a lot about breathing beautifully and breathing easy, and not feeling locked out of our own bodies during this lockdown. So this is how it goes. पहली सी सांसें मुबारक हो, जिंदगी मुबारक आपको, जिंदा दिली है ये जो आपकी, ये हम सबको मुबारक हो। आप जो भी हैं जैसी भी, बेहद पसंद है हम सबको, जिंदा दिली है ये जो आपकी, ये हम सबको मुबारक हो। Happy birthday to you. Yes, love you.